Okay, now let's talk about negative exponents. So for every non-zero number a, so a number that's not zero, and it's an integer, if you have a number raised to a negative exponent, it means to move it either from the bottom to the top or top to the bottom, and then make the exponent positive. So whenever you move it, the exponent always becomes positive. So here's an example. 3 to the negative 1 becomes 1 over 3 to the first, which is a positive. Another example is 3 to the negative 2. That becomes 1 over 3 squared, and 3 squared equals 9. So let's do 2 to the negative 3. When I do 2 to the negative 3, I'm first going to flip. So step 1, flip. So that's going to give me 1 over 2. Make exponent positive. So I get 2 to the third, and then 3, simplify. So I get 2 times 2, which is 4, times another 2, which is 8. So I'll write it out so you guys can see it. And it's just 1 on the top. So I get 1 over 8, and that's my answer.